Good morning, children. Jai Hind. I hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome to computer class. Children, you have revised input and output devices. You have also revised copy and paste option. This week you will revise one more interesting topic, that is storage devices. Children, you are familiar with this topic. So, we will again revise this topic. Ready, children? Children, we all need some kind of storage to keep our things safe. For example, we keep our clothes in our cupboard, vegetables and fruits in refrigerator. In the same way, computer also needs storage devices to store data and information. So children, storage means a space where you put things when they are not being used. In computer, storage is a place inside the CPU where we save all our data. Now I will tell you about different storage devices. Storage devices are those devices which are used to store data, information and computer programs. Here are some various storage devices and they are hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive or USB flash disk and memory card. So we are going to revise them one by one. First one is hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device of a computer. It is present inside the CPU box. It can store large amount of data. Children, all the work done on a computer can be stored in the hard disk. Next is CD. CD stands for compact disc. CDs are circular in shape and can store lots of data. They can be easily carried from one place to another. Most of computer software programs and games we play on computer are available in CDs. Children, you can also use CDs to record, store and play audio, video and other data in digital form. Next is DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. A DVD looks like a CD but can store more data than it. Some DVDs are formatted specifically for video playback or movies, while others may contain different types of data such as software programs and large computer files. Clear, children? Next one is pen drive. Pen drive is also a storage device which is very small in size. It is also known as USB flash drive. It is a portable data storage device. It means it can be easily carried in a pocket or bag. Pen drive can be used to store and transfer data from one computer to another. It is typically removable, rewritable and much smaller than a CD. Removable and rewritable means whatever data is stored inside the pen drive, you can delete it anytime and feed new data in it whenever or whatever you need. Clear? Pen drive is clear to everyone? Next is memory card. A memory card is a type of storage device that is used for storing media and data files. Memory cards are commonly used in small portable devices such as cameras and phones to store information like photos, music and videos. Memory cards are also used in other electronic devices such as printers, portable game devices, DVD recorders, etc. Children, it is a small chip that allow users to write and rewrite data multiple times. Clear, children? So children, I think now the meaning of storage and different storage devices are clear to all of you. Now you will practice to learn these devices. Thank you and have a good day.